How to change your Bitmoji on Snapchat to pregnant. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll show you how you can change your Bitmoji on Snapchat to pregnant, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to change your Bitmoji on Snapchat to pregnant, you must have a female Bitmoji. So first, just make sure that you are a female in and of itself. In this case, I just switched my Bitmoji to a female one, so I'll show you how you can find that. So just tap on the profile icon from the top left. You can see I have a female Bitmoji over here. Now, what you need to do is just tap on it and then just choose the option called change outfit. Now, in the outfit section right over here, you'll be able to see all the details. Here under the categories section, you can see different type of categories, right? So you just have to look for a category that is called maternity. So just go ahead and then look for it. So right over here you can see the maternity category. Over here just select any of the outfit that you like for this specific category over here. Once you select the outfit for this category, just hit the save button, and then as you do that, you should be able to go ahead and then successfully change your Bitmoji avatar on Snapchat to pregnant. And that's all it takes to change the Bitmoji avatar on Snap to pregnant. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and then see you in our next video.